how my AI-powered Google Maps lead generation service works and how it can bring real results to your business. Let's start with a real-life scenario. Imagine you need new clients for your service business. Maybe you're in marketing, B2B sales, cleaning, IT, or any local service. Finding the right contacts can be hard and time-consuming. That's where my service comes in. First, we use a smart two-stage process. Stage 1, I search Google Maps for businesses in your specific region and niche. For example, let's search for maintenance companies in Helsinki. Google Maps instantly shows us dozens or even hundreds of businesses with names, addresses, phone numbers, and sometimes websites. My system collects all this data directly and automatically, so you know it's fresh, relevant, and local. Stage 2. My AI-powered parser takes every business with a website and visits that site. Here, it looks for extra emails, alternative phone numbers, contact forms, and even social media links. But it goes even further. For premium packages, my AI actually reads the website and creates a short, clear summary of what the company does. For example, PR Clean is a Helsinki-based maintenance firm specializing in offices, windows, and floor care. They focus on fast service, reliable staff, and flexible solutions for both private and commercial clients. This means you don't need to check every site yourself. You see the essentials right in your report. So, what do you get as a client? You'll receive a Google Sheet or Excel file, perfectly formatted for business use. Each row contains company name, the official business name, so you know exactly who you're contacting. Phone on map, the main phone number found on Google Maps, usually verified by Google. Phone from website, an additional phone number taken directly from the company's website. Having two numbers gives you more chances to actually reach decision makers, even if one number is unavailable or goes to a general line. Website, a direct link to the company's site for more research or direct outreach. Address, the business's physical address, helping you target specific locations or personalize your messages. Email, a real, working business email collected from the website, not just a generic info at address, but often a direct contact. Company type. This is classified by Google Maps, for example, property maintenance, cleaning service, IT consulting, restaurant, and so on. You can easily filter and target companies by their industry or service type. Summary, premium only. For premium clients, you get an AI-generated summary for every business. This short paragraph tells you what the business actually does, what services they offer, and why they might be a great fit for you. This helps you craft a more relevant, personalized offer and increases your chances of getting a response. Why is this powerful for your business? Save time, no more manual searching, copy-pasting, or visiting hundreds of websites. My system automates it all. Hours of research delivered in minutes. Grow your sales pipeline. The leads you receive are up-to-date, local, and relevant to your industry. Use them for cold email, calls, mailings, or building new partnerships. Better targeting. With company type and address, you can filter your leads by location or industry and reach exactly your best fit clients. Instant insights. The AI-generated summaries help you prioritize. You see right away which companies match your offer, their focus, and if they fit your ideal customer profile. Data ready for use. Just upload to your CRM, email platform, or import into your own marketing workflow. No extra formatting needed. How do businesses use my service? Marketing agencies launch targeted email campaigns in new cities. B2B sales teams identify decision makers and boost outreach with fresh, high-quality leads. Local service companies quickly find new partners, suppliers, or customers, even in specialized niches. Extra value. I check every email for validity in standard and premium packages, so your messages reach real businesses, not bounced addresses. All data is checked for duplicates and cleaned before delivery. And remember, the number of leads depends on your market. Packages show the maximum possible, but you always get all available, high-quality leads for your chosen region and industry. Have a question, need a special request, or want to try the underlying automation? Just send me a message. I'm happy to discuss your needs, demo the process, or even set up a custom scraper for your business. Ready to grow? Order now and get a fresh, actionable list of leads, powered by AI and tailored to your goals, so you can focus on building relationships and winning new clients.